Wait, what? Okay. So yeah. Let's go to 50-minute first. As always, you wanna start on higher time frame. And and this should be your rule. To always start the analysis from to range thing. What the hell is range thing? So so obviously we are bearish on all session. Okay. So obviously we are bearish on higher time frame on weekly. Oh, what? Yeah, on weekly. So let's work a structure. That's the first thing. You get to charts. You make lower lows, lower high, lower lows. A 4 hour, but this can just be a liquidity for future to sub, of course. So it doesn't have to reverse here. Okay. And now where are we with the price? What did we just do on higher time frame? Let me just get rid of this. And yeah. Do you see the color yellow, the screen yellow or white? Because I have my night setting. Oh.
White.
Okay. So what do you see? We just where do I move the chat? Yeah, here. So we just clear this liquidity, okay, on 4 hour, and we are reacting on something here. For now. And okay, this will be a liquidity in future for a reaction. This is lit point in the 4 hour, right? And then you see there's sell by sell. So there is this higher time frame imbalance as well. And then on lower time frame, it would be this whole thingy. But now this is the main place to look at. So let's go to 1 hour and let's see what day it is within a week. So we are on Monday. We just a previous week high as well, and then nothing. And then we are tapping into this imbalance, right? Yeah. Yeah, so we are tapping in exactly the 50%. Well, there's nothing to do here. We can expect a pullback here, or even the price to go higher than this. But there's still a ton of imbalance here. There is this strong high that took liquidity out and broke structure down, which has liquidity above it. So there are many things to look at on 1 hour, but let's just skip the Asian first to see what's happening. Okay, late timing. Yeah, I have to get rid of the sun of the night color. What? Yeah. So let's skip the Asian. Yeah. Okay. We still have nothing during Asian. Asian didn't see any major liquidity, and also didn't break any structure. It's just consolidating, which means that we might have an Asian whipsaw. Yeah, we might have an Asian whipsaw. Those of you who have been with me for a longer time, I all have Asian with build up, Asian with consolidation, which then sits down or does something like this, and then the Asian stop hunt. But now we have consolidation from both sides, and we wanna let me check on 1 minute. Yeah. And we'll wait to Frankfurt open because Frankfurt is what I trade to keep it realistic. Oh, okay. So we just sub this liquidity as well. Oh, wait. Okay, so Asian sub this liquidity. And tap into this as well. But it's not important. And we have this high mitigating nothing except for imbalance. So this will be a liquidity for me, the textbook. And this might be an order flow on the buy side, because as you can see, it even mitigated 50% of it, and then it mitigated again, or it's transferred here. Okay, not yet. Okay, so let's skip to Frankfurt. Then you have a relative equal highs, all of this just build up. Let's do this. And yeah, all of this just build up. And if you have questions, just ask right away. Okay. So we cleared Asian lows even before Frankfurt, which is unusual. Or for me, yeah. So for others, this might be Asian low, but for me, it's just those 6 or 5 hours. This is what ICT uses, so I might use it as well. And yeah, let's see what price might react to. We just stop this. And we see we have this huge imbalance below it. Right, where price use what? What do you mean? Yeah, ICT. Yeah, this is ICT Asian range, I think. The 7 p.m. EST time to midnight. But lit, for example, RAIM uses from this to, let me check. Yeah, from this to here, to 1 a.m. yeah, EST time. Yeah, now it's individual.
Excuse me. Can you see the Frankfurt main position?
Frankfurt what?
I don't understand. What is Frankfurt main position?
Main position?
Main position. I don't know. Frankfurt fake.
Oh, manipulation? It's not Frankfurt yet. This is Frankfurt open.
Yes.
So this is just a manipulation during Sydney session. But we'll check the price does. Yeah, I don't trade during those hours, so I might just skip it. But I see price just tap into this to make price almost efficient. Like it didn't tap into 50%. And starts building and starts doing order flow, right? So this would be your algo structure, higher high, higher high, higher high. This would be a lit, which was swept. Yeah, let's enter only after Frankfurt open, and you see there's okay. So this price action, there's an imbalance inside of this, even on higher time frame, and then this is efficient pretty much, except for this guy for later. And all of those inefficient zones are possible reversal places, or at least a pullback. So we have big news in a few minutes. All right, and news will hopefully manipulate people out for us. So let's just see. Yeah. Okay. Press fill this imbalance. Fill it twice. Okay. Okay. To the extreme. Okay. and fill the last point of imbalance. And this pretty much tells you that it's going to be bullish, I think. Or am I missing something? Let's look at this. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. So we have previous day high. Previous day high. And Asian high, not subbed yet. And price is building up, you can see, the whole night. So we'll wait for a sweep of the highs and then start looking for something. Or if price manipulates. Oh yeah. Okay. So I wanted to say if price manipulates down, we're gonna buy, target the highs, but okay, so this would be our lit point, right? After we broke the structure. And we missed this completely. Okay. So let's just see what news do. Okay, no possible entry here. Let's just do this. Okay. And Frankfurt open. Okay. The whole move up might be a manipulation as well. So we'll just consider it a manipulation for now. And this was XL news, right? So we can use just the 50% to look for places to buy from or sell. We'll see when price starts reversing, what it's reversing from and what not. Okay. So nothing. At 8 we had a stop hunt. And now you just want to see on 1 minute what's happening. Oh, and it's Tuesday. Okay. So, oh, I thought it's Monday. Okay. So it's Tuesdays. That means that this might be the low of the week, but we are on extreme pricing, I think. Yeah, wait. Let me check the time of this. Yeah, so let's just go to 5 minutes. And this normally would have been a low of the week, a possible low of the week, but we are on extreme pricing and inside in the middle of the order block. But we didn't see this high yet. We might even react to it. So let's just put it here. And yeah, it seems fine, but it's in the middle of imbalance. Oh no, not imbalance. It's right under the buy side liquidity. So we might as well be careful for it. But this multiplies up. We had already a fake choke, which would be our inducement type 3. And price broke down. Okay. So I think, and even we had an engulfing, which for me is a possible trade as well. So let's just do 50% of it. And normally I just enter on 50% of engulfings if they're big, instead of looking for a lit entry or something, and it would be like 5 stop loss. And I think it mitigates and we can target the lows as we planned before. And now we had this build up on buy side, on sell side. Yeah, and even Asian lows. And or even this liquidity on 5 minutes or 3 minutes on higher time frame. So and yeah, and I wanted to say it's Tuesday. So what does it mean? And we are in extreme pricing. That means that during this model, Monday and Tuesday usually are fake days, like it's giving fake direction for the week, and people are getting induced. But what can happen also is that Wednesday makes the high and Wednesday reverses, and Wednesday makes the high of the week. But it's usually Tuesday and 80% of the time. So that's why we are looking for sells for the big reversal. All right, so let's just play it. We get tucked in, 5 pips stop loss. And now, where do you want to take your first partials? Okay, we have a huge stop loss, so this can be tricky. But the 50% might do well, the 50% of the range. So it would be this, all right? And there's no structural point, or you can just use random liquidity points, which would be, for example, this, right? So let's just play it. Wait, what? Oh, I'm looking at this. And inside of this, you have this huge imbalance. So we can ping pong. Oh, hello, Ferdi. How many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm looking for buys just to ping pong price. And then we can sell again. Depends on what price does, but also we are sitting right on the liquidity above it. So price keeps playing down. Okay, we broke structure. Means nothing for us though. Yeah, and we'll be cautious. So this could be our first partial level, the 50%. And after that, we hit break even. And yeah. So let's just see what happened here. If price breaks this and goes above, we can take a buy as well, a sell as well. But it holds, okay. But that's a low probable trade, like super low probable trade. We hit 50% and we can look for ping pong buys. And it's like 1 to 4, 1 to 3.3 partials. So that's like plus 1%. And see below, we did induce something here. It might just be a pullback. And notice that this is the same thing that I mentioned in the Discord group, the IPA time correlation. No, so this looks on 1 minute like a normal thingy, but on 15, oh no, this would look better on 15 seconds, but I can go there. But on 3 minutes or 2 minutes, even, or 1 minute, you see clearly there's inefficiency within those two structural points. Let me just, yeah, like here. Let's go. Sell the buy, sell the buy. Yeah, like here. So there's imbalance right here, and price might react from it as well. So we put our stop loss at break even, but now you see price is building up as well on buy side. Okay. Because usually what happens is that price just sweeps liquidity, goes, and then just flies down, or even sweeps liquidity, relatively bearish, but we kept building up liquidity for some reason. This means nothing though. Okay. Okay. Okay, what time is it? Yeah, we'll wait for London Open to see if there's any good trade. This mitigation seems juicy, but let's not risk it. Yeah. Price with tough swept us. We made equal lows. So obviously we're building up more. And oh, and we hit break even. And we even sweep the highs again. Okay, and this is London Open. So what does it tell you? That this first move might be a manipulation as well. And price might just reverse from there. Yeah, and I'm not sure what we tap into. So let's check it out, but I don't think it's swept the liquidity. Yeah, it's still right below it, and price is protecting it for some reason. But this liquidity already fulfilled its purpose. So we had sales orders here, and I don't believe it will be protected because we already rallied down that day, which means that those trades already those sales are already closed, and price has no reason, or the FI has no reason to protect these anymore. So I'll still wait for this liquidity to be taken out, and then might look for sells right here, because this would be an FU candle. And there's a ton of imbalance within it as well. So let's do this. This would be imbalance in the higher time frame. And yeah, let's just go to the left. Yeah. So if we want to sell, then we need something clear. This is not clear to take trades from. This would just be an inducement high for me, still right under the liquidity and with no confirmation entry at all. And this would be a place to buy for me, because we are building up right below. And this would also be an inducement for me, because just book structure up, and naturally this would be an SMT, right? Because what break structure is the smart money trap, as the common knowledge. Okay, and nothing crazy here. I'm gonna take super high probable trades. So which are those two? No, let's keep it. Okay, nothing. We sub the highs. So if price gives us a chance. Oh, no, let's not take sells. Let's do it right above this. Seems better than, yeah. Oh, seems better, because this could just be an inducement for it. If price breaks this, this would become an inducement. Also as smart money trap. Okay. Okay, nothing. But also, if price keeps building up and then sweeps this, then we can sell right away without buying here, obviously. So, okay.
Bro, you had a
Hmm?
CS change of character
No, I don't trade chalk, bro.
and order with fake chart.
Here? Yeah, that's why I'm saying this is an
Yes.
inducement. This high.
No. Down this trend. Yes.
Here? Yeah, this is just equal.
No.
Huh?
No. Up this trend.
Here?
Down.
Here?
Down. Yes.
Here? Like here?
I think this is chalk and order flow and structure is bearish.
Because we are building liquidity right above and below. We are just consolidating. Look at 3 minutes. Yeah, we're just consolidating. There's nothing happening here. Yeah, so I'll just continue. And any trades within this range would be low probable for you, or at least not a super high run for you. It would be like trading this range, for example. You can't have too much from it. Let's say this would be your sell. Like you would catch 1 to 3s. Well, yeah. Okay, and but if you want to sell inside of the range, I'll try to find you around. So we just broke this. Okay. No, they are building up. Yeah, see, like this whole thing is a huge build up from both sides, and from a simple AMD way of trading and AMD liquidity cycle, which is the simplest one. You know, you have accumulation. You want to get wait for one side to be swapped, and then target the other one. Well, and this is the the lowest point of the consolidation, and this is now the highest point. And we are still considering this because we have a POI right above this. There's a POI like here. I'm just guessing, but yeah, I can go to 5 minutes. Oh, what was that? Wait, what? Okay. And this is your POI, right? On 5 minutes. With this huge, yeah, just this imbalance that price could be targeting. No, let's go to 1 minute. And it's consolation because this high did nothing. It just mitigated what was it, imbalance, or there was a buy to sell, but that thingy was just a part of consolidation. So I'm assuming that this high is a it's just an inducement for SSC people to start thinking this chalk, you know. And naturally, if this, yeah, we broke the structure, so this would be an SMT as well. And we have like 2 minutes left, so we'll start the call. So yeah, and we just swapped it. See, so price. So wait. So we had an internal break structure here. It even induced people, but this was too far for me to even consider. No, it was this one on higher time frame. Yeah, and it was external structure. Okay, so that's even better. And that tells you that there's a POI or an OB below. So it can be this wick with imbalance, right? Or it can be this guy. And if it blasts through it, then you're just clearing liquidity imbalance. Or we might reverse right away and we just missed all of those. But I don't think so. So you just play it. Oh, okay. Price starts reversing for some reason. Okay. 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 So we are mitigating this wick, right? Almost. Let's see. Yeah, almost. So it would just be this 1 minute unrefined POR. And this is a risky trade as well. It's not the safest one to take. But we went the whole session without any trades. We went a whole London session without any trades, because there was nothing as a confirmation trade. And we can just try to take a mitigation of this. Yeah, so I'm not sure what day is it, 13th, and today is 8. Okay, so we can't go to seconds. But it's either this guy is a lit, if you go to seconds, or it's already efficient. So